because of course we're coming together, which is a very, very nice town of Taupo.
Okay, the mechanics of the game is choose a name for your group and prepare a one-liner song. Okay?
We are winning!
Are you mas bago?
Or more. Carla. Because the T-A-R. Taupo. Yeah!
July 12. July 12, 3 years.
23.
Okay.
And then, they do those things, but eventually, it's not about work.
No, we're Christian, but not really good. Really deep Christian, but yeah. So it's
So, although we got married in Singapore, but we didn't join the CFC. In the community to help grow the community in Oxford. So I'm just sharing a part of my experience where I see the beauty of God in my husband. Or somebody, so he also helped me to pay for all that expenses. So.
To share. Bro Jewel sent in our leaders group, one from Hastings, one from Napier, and one from Taupo. And then, Tash, I told him, are you sure, Marcel? Because do you really trust me that I am capable enough of fighting for? And then we really,
So we raise our hand as our brothers and sisters.
The beginning and the end. Lord, in search of beauty, we gather here as brothers and sisters. We gather here as one community, as one family. Lord, in search of truth that we need, not just in our families, not just in our community, even in our work.
Insert our here!
the one.